Frustrated with that garage floor? You know, the one that's seen better days with all the cracks and stains? Ever wonder how to really transform that space into something you can be proud of? Looking for a reputable garage flooring company to upgrade your space? We get it, and we're right here with you. We believe your garage has the potential to be so much more. That's why in this video, we're breaking down everything you need to know about garage flooring installation. Whether you're thinking about new garage flooring that's truly built for the long haul or just want to understand how sealing garage floors the right way can help protect your investment, we've got your back. Our goal is simple: to give you the clear, straightforward information you need to make the smartest choice for your home. So, what are we going to cover today? Think of it like this. We'll show you the key steps to getting durable garage flooring done the professional way. We'll talk about getting set up before install, why pros make a big difference, how polyaspartic helps floors last longer, and how Leaf Home makes it easy and gets results fast. First up, getting ready. Just like any good project, a solid garage floor install starts with the basics. That means really cleaning things up, fixing any cracks or damage, and sometimes even prepping the concrete to make sure everything sticks properly. If you skip these steps, trust us, it can lead to problems down the line. We want to help you get it right the first time. Second, let's talk about why going pro for your garage floor install is a smart move. Sure, DIY might seem like a quick fix, but getting truly durable garage flooring that can handle whatever life throws at it takes clear know-how. Our Leaf Home crews, they're pros. They know the best ways to apply these coatings so they look great and last for years to come. Thirdly, having exceptional quality and professional materials. We use a high-grade polyaspartic coating that's tougher and more performative than epoxy options when it comes to resisting scratches, chemicals, and fading from the sun. This isn't just paint, it's real protection for your garage. Our high-grade polyaspartic coating is durable and built to last. That means you can relax knowing your garage floor is better protected against scratches, peeling, slipping, and sun damage. And that adds real value to your home. Don't take a chance with a DIY solution when you can have the local, professionally trained experts handle it and get a guarantee you can count on. Ready to upgrade your garage with durable garage flooring that's installed without the stress? Learn more about our customization options and professional installation that can be completed in as little as 1 day at leafhome.com/garage flooring. Let us show you the difference professional installation makes. We're here to help you every step of the way, and we stand behind our work, plain and simple. If you found this helpful, give us a like and hit that subscribe button for more straightforward home improvement advice like this. We're here to help you make your home the best it can be.